Awesome. I think it's time to get things kicked off. So, what do we have planned for today? So, of course, welcome everyone to Do Space Digital After School Kid Coders. My name is Kafaya. I'm very excited to have you guys here with me today. So, as always, I have an exciting activity planned for us today. So, you know how we typically play around with some code and try to make sure that the code executes what we want it to? So, today we're doing somewhat of a flip because today and this time it will be us, you and I. We're going to try to be the computers. We're going to try as much as we can to do what computers do. So for today's activity, which is computed with Toxicode, we get to read and interpret the different programs that we would see in a second. And it's going to be our job to find the right trajectory to win the challenges. Who doesn't like challenges? I like a challenge, a good challenge. As long as I'm winning, I like a challenge. So today we are going to have to focus and try not to panic while we use our intuitive abilities to understand some of the core concepts of programming. I know I usually just ramble on and on about like what the different programming concepts are and how to use them. So today we're flipping the script and we're going to test ourselves and test our knowledge. I'm no expert at this, so we're going to help each other out. So for those who don't already have the link, if you go on to, let me take you back. If you go on to our DoSpace website, and scroll to the calendar where we have our awesome class for today. Right here where it says Do Space Digital After School Kid Coders. I mean, if you're on this call, you probably already know how to find me, but let's just pretend we don't. So, and then now you click here for learn more about our after school program, and it'll take you to the different awesome activities that we do every day. And right here, March 23rd, we are going to be learning how to compute. We're going to compute all the code that we would see in a second. We're going to compute them with Toxicode. So this is what we would do. So if you want to work along with me, if you maybe want to challenge me too and see who goes faster, you can click right here on the game link and it will take you to the website right here. It takes you straight to the activity. But if you don't already have it, I'm going to copy the link so that I can give it to you right here. So give me a second. Oops. Okay, so this is where everyone should be if you have the link already. And if you don't, I will just copy this link right here and paste it in the chat on Twitch for anyone that's here with me. And then you can click on it right there. Because I just realized you guys can't see the top of my screen, but that's the code. Let me see if I can, right here. That's what it looks like. Compute it, toxicode.fr backsplash question mark hour of code. Awesome. So let's proceed with our fun activity. So I think this is just to help us get used to the instructions on how this challenges are going to go. So this would be the code on this side of the screen right here. And we have to use our arrows up, left, right, and down arrow buttons on our keyboard, like I have mine right here. And we're going to go. So right here, it's asking us to go right. So I'm just going to click the right key on my keyboard just to make sure that I follow all the instructions as correct as I can. Because you see, that happens if you don't do the right thing. And that was loud and scary. Let me see if I can turn down the volume a little bit so I don't scare you guys off. Okay, so here we have it. I think that's less alarming. Okay, So now I'm just going to, of course, go right like it asked, because if I go left or go up or down, it doesn't accept. That's not what it asks for. So I'm just going to click right, right, right. And once I'm done, I get a check mark and it brings me straight to the awesome activities. So let's see how far we can go. And let's also try to keep an eye out for any of the concepts that we can find as we walk through the challenges. Does that sound good to everyone? Awesome. So right here, I think this is just to help us get familiar with all the buttons and how the challenges would go. This seems pretty easy. So it's just up, right, left, down. So I'm just going to go up, right, down, and left. Awesome. I like the check mark at the end of every challenge. It makes me feel so encouraged. Okay, so now we get to go up, right, 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 and up. Awesome. This is a good way to practice your left and your right, because sometimes I forget and I do my hands like left, right, left, right. Okay, let's keep going. And now we have something very interesting here, which is repeat. And if you guys remember from any of our previous lessons, we know that in programming, there's something called loops, where you tell your computer to repeat the same action over and over again until a certain condition is met. So right here, as you can see, we have a loop right here, and it starts here and ends here. So we get to just repeat the same action 3 times. And the condition that we need to meet is to ensure that we repeat the same action of going right 3 times, and then that should be it. Okay, so first you start reading your program from the top of the screen, of course, your code rather, from the top of the screen. And right here I have up. So I'm going to start by going up, and then I get to handle my loop here. So what it wants me to execute is to go right 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and then all the condition is met for that loop. And now we're going to go up. And we're done. Yes, we're really getting a hang of it. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want me to repeat a certain step, because it looks like the challenge lets you go. It lets you go back a step. Okay, let's see how far. Oh, this looks like a lot. Let's see how far we can go before we run out of time today. So we're going to 4. So now we're going to start, of course, from the top. And I see we're keeping the theme of loops right now. So we get to repeat the same action inside of the bracket right here. We're going to repeat the same action 9 times. Okay, so I'll start from the top. Of course, you read your program from the top, just like you would read any book. So I'll start by going up, and next I would go right 9 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I go up. Awesome. So we're good. So far, we seem to be getting a hang of everything, and there's no mistakes so far. Let's hope we stay that way. Okay, so next we're moving on to repeat. This just starts with a loop. There's no like introducing line of code or anything. We're just jumping right into getting the directions that have to be in a loop. So we go left, down. And another thing to note is you go from top, even if it's in the loop, you don't just repeat left, left, left 3 times. Let me show you. If I do that, I would be wrong. So if I did left, 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 that's wrong. So I have to do it right. Go left, down, left, down, left, down. And then I go up. And that is correct. Awesome. Let me know if you need me to run through any of the challenges again, but no questions means everyone is catching up as much as we need to, or everyone's on the same page as me. Okay, so now this looks a bit longer. I see the farther we go, the longer the code gets. So of course we're starting with another loop. So we're going to figure out what to do with this loop first, follow these directions first, and then go on to follow this next step of directions. And then we're going to go just be very, I don't know the English, but just follow, make it easy, one step at a time. So the first thing we're required to do is to repeat this action 3 times. So down left 3 times. Let's do that first. So down, left, down, left, down, left. And now we go right down 2 times. So right down 1, right down 2. And now we do up and right 2 times. So up and right, up and right. And we're done. Awesome. Cool. So now we have more loot. So for this one, we get to go down 4 times, right 4 times, up 4 times, and left 4 times. So I'll start with down 1, 2, 3, 4, and now right 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we get to go up 4 times. So up, 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 and now it keeps bringing us back to the same point. And now we get to go left 4 times. So left, 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 left. And we are good. Awesome. So look at us advancing so fast. We're up to level 8 already. Cool. So what we have here looks to be a loop inside of a bigger loop. Okay. So how this works is that we repeat right 4 times, and then we finish out. I wonder, this is a good, I think I need help. So do we do this right 4 times and go 8 times before we go on to completing this side of the code, or do we just go all at once and then repeat? I think we go all at once. So right 4 times and then up, and then right 4 times and then up. We do that 4 times. Just because you see the bracket right here at the top, and at the bottom, it looks to be encompassing or encapsulating all of this. So this opens up here, and this opens here and it closes here, and this opens at the top right here before we get this loop, and it closes right here. So let's see. I guess we never know until we try, right? So we're going to go right 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go up, and we do that again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go up, and we have 2 more times to go, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go up, and another time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go up. Awesome. Cool. I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. It looks like a lot of fun to me, and it's helping me practice my directions. So left, right, up, down. I feel like I'm gonna be an expert at the end of today's class. Okay. So now let's read this. It says repeat this 3 times. It starts here and it ends here. So we have to repeat right 4 times, and then repeat left 4 times before we go. So right, 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 left, 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 left 3 times. Oh, right, 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 right. Yes, that's 4 times. Okay, let's get started. So right, 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 right. Left, 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 left. Right, 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 right. Left, 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 left. Right, 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 right. Left, 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 left. Awesome! I wasn't too sure of what I was doing there, but we worked it out. Okay, now we're going into more complicated situations. So right here, I'm sure you guys recognize, or if you don't, this is what we call an if statement. where it tells you an action to do if there's already like a pre-existing condition, and in this case, that is the circle, the yellow circle right here. So first, of course, we start from the top of the page. So we start by going right. And then after going right, if we find ourselves in a yellow circle, we would go up, or else we just go left. Sound good? Awesome. So start by going right. So if yellow, go up. So we go right. But now that we're not here, we just go left. Should I repeat that again? So, oops, let me go back. I'm going to repeat step 10 again just so it's clear. So if we're on a yellow bubble, yellow circle, we go, okay, we start by going right. If we're in a yellow bubble, we go up. If not in a yellow bubble, we go left. So from the beginning, we go right. And because we're in a yellow bubble, we're going to go up. And now that we're not in a yellow bubble, we don't satisfy the conditions to execute the if statement. So we're just going to go to the else, which is to click left. And there we have it. Okay, so here we have, you start by going right, and then if you're in the yellow, you go up, and then you go, if not, you go right. Or then again, we have another condition. So if we are in a yellow, we go up. If not, we go right. So we're kind of repeating the same thing twice, if that makes sense. So I'll start by going right. Because I'm in a yellow, I'm going to go up. And now I get to go right because I'm not in a yellow. And I'm also not in a yellow again. So I'm just going to go right again. Awesome. Should I repeat that one more time just for clarity? Sorry about that. Okay, so back to step 11. It says we start by going right, and then we have these two if conditions that follow each other. So if yellow, go up, or else just go right. Also, the same thing repeats itself again. If yellow, go up. If not, just stick to the right. Okay. So I'll start from the top of my page by going right. Because I'm in yellow, I'll go up. And now that I'm not in my yellow anymore, I don't get to perform this task right here. I'm just going to go right. Oh, what did I do? It's supposed to give me a thick. Okay. Okay. Now we get to repeat a condition 4 times. So if yellow, go down, or else go right. And we have to do that 4 times. So I'll start by, it's not yellow, so I'm just gonna go right. So if yellow, go down. If not, go right. So if yellow, go down. If not, go right. One more time. If yellow, go down. If not, go right. Awesome. This almost feels like a maze sometimes. So now we're going to repeat. It's still on the same line of practicing our if statements. So this time we get to repeat this one 4 times. So if yellow, go down, or else we're going to go right. And we get to repeat that 4 times. So we're not in the yellow, so I'm going to go right. And now that we're in the yellow, I'll go down. And we're in yellow again, so I'm going to go down. Oh, what did I do here that was wrong? So I went down without completing this part. So I'm just going to go left. Oh, I'm supposed to go right. Oops, yeah, I just did. I went right. And I'm going to go down and go down again. or right? That was wrong. Somebody save me. So I'll start by going to my right or just going down. What is happening? If yellow, go down. If not, go right. So I'm going right. If yellow, go down. So go down. I'm confused. Start by going right. If yellow, go down. Let me see. Should I go right again and go down? Go right. Okay. That was not very clear. Okay. So now we get to repeat the same action 5 times. So if yellow, we go down, down, and then right. If not yellow, we just go right. Okay. So now we're going right. It's yellow, so we go down, down, and then we go right. And right again, and down, down, and right again. And right again. Awesome. Cool. So now we have another loop with an if statement inside. So this says to repeat this action 6 times. So we start by going up, and then if we're in yellow, we go right, and then down. We go right. Oops. Start by going up. If yellow, go right. If yellow, go right. What did I do? Okay. We start again. Patience, patience. We start again by going up. If yellow, we go right. And then do I go down? And then go right again? What am I doing wrong? Oh, I keep forgetting to go up. I keep missing out on this part of my code. That's why. Okay, I'll start again. Go up. If left, go right. If yellow, go right. And then go down. And now I get to go up again. Go right, go down. Go up again, go right, go down. Go up again, go right, go down. Go up again, go right. Why? Somebody send me an answer. Okay, so up, go, if yellow, go right. Up. Up. If yellow, go right. And then down. Up. If yellow, go right. And then down. Oh, I think I know what I did wrong. Up. If yellow, go right. And then down. Up. If yellow, go right. It's not right, so I'm just gonna go down. Something is wrong. So up, if yellow, go right. Up. I didn't go down. Up, if yellow, go right, and then 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 down. What am I doing wrong? Up, if yellow, go right, and then down. 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 Up, if yellow, go right. If not, go down. Up, if yellow, go right. It's not yellow, so I'm just gonna go down. Yay! We figured it out. Thank you guys. Okay, so now this says to repeat 22 times. If on yellow, turn left. If not, go right. If not, go up. So it's not on yellow, so I'm just gonna go up. Yay! I almost panicked when I saw 22. So this says if on yellow, go right. If not, go up. So on yellow, I'm gonna go right and go right. Right. If not, I'm just gonna go up. Yay! We're moving along. We're rolling ahead. Okay. So this says repeat 4 times. If on yellow, go right. If on green, I'll call that green, or orange. This looks more like orange than yellow, but I keep saying yellow because it looks like yellow on my screen. Okay, so you go right for yellow and go left for green. Okay, so let's start. And after that, you go down. So if on yellow, I go right. If on green, I go left. If on yellow, I go and then I go down. So I go left. No, right for yellow. And then I go down. I missed that. Okay, so let's start again. It's on green, so I'm gonna go left. And now it's on yellow, so ooh, I see. Should I go down? And then go right? And then go down? What did I do? I'm struggling. Send help, you guys. So I'm going to start this over by going, if green, go to the left. If yellow, go to the right. I should have gone down. So it's green right now. So green, I'm going to go left. Yellow, I'm going to go right. No, I needed to go down. I keep forgetting to go down. So if yellow, go, if left, down, right. Oh, left. Help me. Left, and go down, and go right, and go left, and go down, and go down. And then, if on yellow, I go right. If on green, I go left. If on yellow, and then I go down. Yay! That was so confusing and so mentally tasking that I'm glad we figured it out. Hopefully you guys have this video to watch back so it can make sense if something is confusing. Okay, so now we get to repeat this 4 times. We are repeating this part 4 times and then we're going to go up. Awesome. Also, we have if. Awesome. So if yellow, go right 4 times. But I'm not on yellow, so I'm going to go up. So now I get to go right 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Why? I forgot to go up. So I start because it doesn't meet the condition. So I just go up. And now it's in yellow. So I'm going to go right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go up. And then go 1. What did I do? Okay, I think my brain is getting tired. Send help, guys. It says repeat 4 times. If yellow, Repeat 4 times to the right, and then go up. And then repeat that 4 times. Let's see. We're going to keep trying till we solve it, right? Awesome. So now there's nothing, so I'm just gonna go up. And now that I'm on yellow, I should go 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that was a mistake. So I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I go up and go up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I go up. Yay! So I just needed to sit up. Okay, now we have you start by going left, and if yellow, go left, or else go up. Awesome. So we start by going to the left. If yellow, go left. If not, else go up. Yay, that was easy. Okay. So next we start by going right, 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 right. So if we're on green or lemon, whichever you choose to call it, we go up on neon green. So right, and then we go, if green, go up and then right, or else go left. If green, go left and then right, or else go up. Okay, let's start. Part 1. We start by going to the right. If green, we go up and right, or else we go left. And now that we're on green, we're going to go left and right, and then we're going to go down. Awesome. Cool. So now for this step, we start by going to the right, and if we are on green, we go to the left, or else if we are on blue, we go down and then up. Yay! Awesome. I'm not going to do that every time that we pass a challenge, but let's see. Okay. So give me a second right here. I'm just going to look up something real quick. And awesome. That is confirmed. I'm just going to proceed with the rest of our activity so we don't run out of time. Okay, so we start by going left. I would like to start this over. Let me see. So on 23, just make a note. Okay, so we start by going to the left. If we are on green, we're going to go up. So this part is already satisfied because we went up. So now we're just going to go down. Yay! Awesome. So now we get to repeat this 8 times. So if we are on yellow, let's call it yellow, not orange. It looks very orange. If we are on orange, we're going to go right. If not, we go up, and we do that 8 times. So we go right, and then we go up. We go right, and then we go up. We go right. What did I do? I wasn't supposed to go right. I was just supposed to go up. Okay. So if on yellow, go right, else go up. If on yellow, orange, go right, else go up. So we're going up, we're going to go right, and go up, and go up. So if on orange or yellow or whatever you choose to call it, we go to the right. After that, I hope that you guys are getting the main lesson from all of this struggle today, is that computers are awesome, and without them, we would just be confused or tired. Okay, I'll start by going to the right, else go up. Oops, why isn't that working? Else go up. We're going to go to the right, and then we're going to go up, and we go up again because, and then now we're going to go to the right, and then we go up and to the right. Yay! Okay, next one. We get to repeat this 19 times. Okay, let's see. If yellow, turn right, else if blue, turn left, else go down. So yellow, we're going to go right, right, right. Because it's not yellow or blue or orange or blue, we're going to go down. And then if it's blue, we're going to take a left and another left and another left. And then now we go down. And we go right, 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 and down, and we go right, right, left, and then we go down, and right, right, and we go right. Yay! Okay, look at us. We're on step 26. So now we get to repeat this 4 times. And if we're on orange or yellow, whichever we call it, we go to the left, or else we go right, and then we go up. After doing that 4 times, we're going to go to the right. I'm sorry, I just yawned. Okay. Our computers get to do this for us all day, and they don't ever get tired or yawn or anything. The computers are awesome, and I miss them right now because the tables are turned. And usually I write the code and the computer does it. But now that I'm just taking a step in the computer's shoes, I can testify that computers are awesome and they do a lot for us. Okay, so if on yellow, go left, else go right. So I'm going to go right and then go up, and then if do I go right first or do I just go? Okay, I'm going to go left and right. Okay. So let's see. If on this we're going to go up. Why? I'm supposed to go right and then go up. And because I'm on yellow, I'm going to go left. And now that I'm on a different color, I get to go right. I shouldn't do that again. So start by going right and then up. And then left. And then up. And then left. And then up. And then we go up. Okay, let's do one more or 2 more before we run out of time. So while we're in purple, we want to stay right. And then we go up. So purple, 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 purple. And then I go up. Awesome. Let's see if we can get to 30 before we say goodbye for today. So while I'm purple, go left. Left. Oops. While I'm purple, go left. I went right. Left, up, left. Okay. Left, up, left. Left, up, left, and down. Awesome. One more or two more. Let's get to 30. Okay, so while on green, we get to go to the right. And if we're on purple, we get to go down. So we're on green, so we're going to go right again, and down. Go right again, go right again, and down. Go right again, go right again, go right again, and down. Go right again, go right again, and we go down. We go right again, and we go right. Awesome. Yay, we got to 30. So while we're on green, we want to stay to the right. And while we're on purple, we want to go down. So while we're on green, I'm going to stay to my right. Purple, I go down. Purple, I go down. Green, I stay to my right. Purple, I go down. Purple, I go down. Green, I stay to my right. That's my left, not my right. Oops. So while we're on green, we want to stay to the right. Purple, we go down. Purple, we go down. Green, we go to the right. Purple, we go down. Purple, we go down. And green, we go to the right. And purple, we go down. Purple, we go down and down. And while on green, I go to my right. Purple, I go down. Purple, I go down. And green, I go to my right. Awesome. Should we do one more or two more? Yeah, we can just go till one more or two more till 5:14. Okay, so while on orange, we go right, and when on purple, we go left, and after that, we go down again 5 times. So purple, yellow, we go right, 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 and down, and left, 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 and down, and right, 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 and down, and left, 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 and down, and right, 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 and down. Awesome. I think this brings us to a good stopping point. That's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed taking, I guess, a step in the shoes of the computers. And if this is any lesson, it's that computers do a lot of amazing things for us, and most especially, they help us make life easier, right? By doing all of the hard work while we just give instructions. Awesome. So thank you guys for being here with me today, and I hope to see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.